Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone dropped calls automatically after updating the iOS 18 version. If your iPhone dropping calls automatically after updating to iOS 18, try these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. Number one is check your software update. Sometime update your device to fix iPhone dropping calls problem. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying this solution number two. Solution number two is turn on aeroplane mode and turn it off back. Tap on settings, turn on aeroplane mode, and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it off back and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying this solution number three. Solution number three is restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can often resolve the issue. Press and hold the volume up button, press and hold the volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check your network connection. Ensure you have a stable cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Try to making calls in different locations to rule out network related issues. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Disable and re-enable cellular or Wi-Fi. Go to the settings, tap on cellular mobile data or Wi-Fi, tap on it, toggle turn it off, turn it on back, go back and toggle turn it on and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is disable call forwarding. Go to settings, iPhone call forwarding, and ensure it's toggle off. It's toggle turn it on, turn off back and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reset your iPhone settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone's network settings. When your iPhone network setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying this solution number 9. Ensure your iPhone's antenna is not blocked, e.g. by a case or your hand. Check for physical damage or water damage. Try using a different SIM card or network and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and contact your carrier settings to fix call dropping issue on iPhone. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone call dropping automatically on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.